Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. If you're guys working on your vehicle and you have to remove and replace the crankshaft pulley, or you have to remove the crankshaft pulley to do let's say timing belt replacement or timing chain replacement, timing cover gasket, something like that guys, stay with us and we'll show you guys what we use to remove those bolts. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, we have that Chevy guys, but it will be the same on almost any vehicle you can think of. So, looking at the engine guys, we're about to do a timing belt replacement. You can see this is the crankshaft pulley, also known as the harmonic balancer. Okay, and we can look at it from the bottom guys. This is it right here. Now, we'll show you guys what we use, okay, to remove that bolt, okay, and what we use to get it loose, because sometimes you cannot just get it loose, you cannot hold the engine to get it loose, so you have to use impacts and things like that. So we'll show you guys the setup that we have today. In addition guys, we have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. Why? Because our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can, and you can see we're constantly guys adding more and more vehicles to our collection. We're doing engine replacements here as well, so expect quite a bit on the channel guys. Now the setup that we're using, it's a DeWalt air compressor guys. All that will be listed in the description of the video below. What I like about this compressor, it's extremely light. Okay, you just lift it up with one hand. But what I really like about it, it's quiet. Also, it goes all the way to 165 psi, 165. So 165 is quite a bit of pressure, guys. It's enough pressure to run an impact. Most of the compressors, they will go to 125 or 130. This one is 165, that's a lot. Now, the downside, it's only a 6-gallon compressor, but for me, that's actually a positive thing, because I can move it around the shop pretty easy. And I don't use it so often, but 6-gallon for things like that, it's enough. Sometimes you have to stop and wait for it to build more pressure, but in our case guys, we'll see if it's going to work. Also guys, you need an impact. This is an Ingersoll Rand, okay, very used and abused impact by us, but that thing is amazing as well, a really good brand, so you can check it out in the video below. Nothing sponsored here guys, everything's purchased by us. So let's go ahead and give it a try and see if it's going to come off now. So you need to find guys the socket that's going to fit on your crankshaft pulley bolt. In our case it's reverse Torx, okay, but it will not always be reverse Torx. It could be just like 18mm socket, it could be an Allen wrench sometimes, so you never know guys, okay, and this one fits really good. We're going to connect now, okay, I'm going to connect the impact to the compressor, okay, and let's see what's going to happen now and if it's going to take it off guys. Okay, let's give it a try now. We're getting it loose. In just guys, no time, that thing came out, you can see, with ease guys. It's unbelievable how fast we were able to remove it. You can see that. So definitely guys, it's a product that I would recommend if you're working in the shop guys and you need a compressor that builds quite a bit of pressure, okay, quite a bit of pressure, check it out, and you can carry it everywhere. I would definitely recommend this setup. This Ingersoll Rand is a really good brand as well. So that's how we guys do it. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.